Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. You never fail until you stop trying. I must be willing to give up what I am in order to become what I will be. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Everything must be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. Nothing happens until something moves. There are only 2 ways to live your life. One as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. I never made one of my discoveries through the process of rational thinking. What a sad era when it is easier to smash an atom than a prejudice. What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. The only source of knowledge is experience. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. Never memorize something that you can look up. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. If I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about solutions. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. A man should look for what is, and not for what he thinks should be. It is not that I'm so smart, but that I stay with the questions much longer. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. A true genius admits that he or she knows nothing. You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else. A person starts to live when he can live outside himself. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Any fool can know. The point is to understand. Imagination is the highest form of research. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The only way to escape the corruptible effect of praise is to go on working. We cannot despair of humanity since we ourselves are human beings. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. The pursuit of truth and beauty is a sphere of activity in which we are permitted to remain children all our lives. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Albert Einstein was a renowned theoretical physicist who made groundbreaking contributions to the field of physics, including the theory of relativity and his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. The latter earned him the 1921 Nobel Prize in physics. Einstein faced challenges in school despite now being considered one of the greatest scientific minds of all time. His independent spirit rebelled against regimented teaching methods. His lack of interest led to poor grades in his early years, and he struggled to gain acceptance to university. Einstein's teachers viewed him as a difficult student due to his questioning of authority and unconventional ideas. This led to him being expelled from school at the age of 16. Despite these challenges, Einstein eventually gained acceptance to a Swiss polytechnic school where he excelled in mathematics and physics. His contributions have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and continue to shape scientific research to this day. You have been listening to an insightful production. Let us know in the comments below which quote of Albert Einstein resonated with you the most. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content from iconic figures throughout history.